Marie Gravidas from the Philippines, Miss World Asia! Mabuhay sa ating lahat! Hello po sa inyong lahat! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito, sa pagdalo dito. This is such a very memorable and emotional day, not only for me but for all of us, because now we're bringing home the title Miss World Asia. And I just want to say that this is the fruition of all the love, the encouragement, the support, and the bayanihan spirit that you've shown to the entire world. And thank you so much for the support, for the entire journey. Ang tagumpay po na ito ay para po sa inyong lahat. Lahat po ng every day that I was in India is dedicated to each and every one of you. Ay sabi ko nga, bago ako umalis, dala ko ang pangarap, pag-asa at pagmamahal ng buong Pilipinas. Kaya para sa inyong lahat po to, and I hope I made you all proud. Thank you so much. Organization headed by Sir Arnold Vegafria. Let's give him a round of applause. Siya po ang isang tao talaga na sobrang sumuporta sa journey na ito at kitang-kita po talaga namin kung gaano niya po kamahal ang Pilipinas. Kaya natin nauwi ang title na Miss World Asia. It's also because of him. So thank you so much, Sir Arnold, for the love and support. Maraming salamat po. Patuloy po natin ipaglalaban ng Pilipinas. Kaya ito po ay out of our efforts, of our support and our love for the entire Philippines. Maraming salamat po for the love, and I'm really grateful to be here carrying this title, and I promise to continue raising the flag of God.
Ano na-experience natin yung lumabang karon sa experience?
I spent a month in India, and every day that I was there was really full of joy. It was really full of pride. Of course, there are some days that I didn't expect it to be. Sometimes may ups and downs talaga, but I always held on to what's in my heart, and that is to bring light and kindness. And I'm thinking that I am surrounded with the Filipino people. I'm thinking that I am loved and also supported by our Bayanese. Ito talaga yung dala-dala ko doon na kahit anong mangyari, whatever the result is, I did my best for the Philippines. And this journey is just full of gratitude, full of love, and full of joy. And I wouldn't trade it for anything else. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat, Pilipinas, sa pagmamahal niyo.
Now, what's first on your agenda as your, for your responsibilities as Miss World Asia?
As Miss World Asia, we will also maximize this title, of course, to strengthen and build and color the world with kindness, my charity organization. So it will also be a way to spread awareness on how to build or to raise awareness of the importance and significance of building nurturing spaces for the children. And I hope that this world title will also be traveling around Asia and around the world together with continental winners and the Miss World winner. So thank you so much as well to Miss World Organization for this opportunity to continue raising our flags to Philippines and also to continue advocating for the meaningful causes that is dear to my heart.
Is there a major event that will be happening soon where all of the continental queens will be together?
That is, we have to wait for it. And yeah, we were told that we will have a trip together with the continental winners. So I'm very excited for that.
What can you say to all your supporters here at SM Mall of April?
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mahal ko rin po kayo. Mahal na mahal ko rin. And wala po ako dito kung wala kayo. Ito po ay produkto ng pagmamahal ninyo. Kaya maraming salamat. Thank you so much.
And what did you miss most while you were in India?
Naku, ang dami. Of course, na-miss ko yung hangin ng Pilipinas, na-miss ko yung pagkain ng Pilipinas. Pero syempre, comfort food ko ang Filipino food. I also miss my family. I also miss my 8 dogs. And now I'm finally home. Sobrang comforting, sobrang relief na I'm here to celebrate this.
Again, just for the people who don't know, what's your main advocacy and what are your immediate plans for that advocacy?
So I lead a charity organization called Color the World with Kindness. It was established in the year 2022. And our aim is just to create a culture of kindness and understanding. And as time goes by, our family became bigger. And now we were able to build and help rebuild the early learning facilities in our community and also reconstruct homes in our community. And we plan to do that, if not now for the entire community, but one home and one step at a time. We aim to build children a safe space for them to grow, to imagine, to achieve their fullest potential. And even though we have a small community right now, we have a small charity organization right now, but I believe that with this title, it is our greatest and stepping stone for us to elevate that goals.
Last question. So, what was your meeting with Julia Morley like? Miss Julia and her team. How was it? How do you describe
Oh,
it?
she's very warm, and when I was there, I felt like I had a grandmother. She's full of wisdom, full of love, and full of care to all of us, and I really felt that she cared about us. That we are not just candidates, but we are her daughters. And to be a part of the legacy that she's built with a purpose is such an honor, it's a privilege. So I'm very thankful to Mrs. Julia Morley for accepting us with open arms and the warmest hugs that she can ever offer. Thank you.
Thank you, Krish.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Questions mo? Yung introduction na Krishna Gravides, Miss World Asia.
Introduction daw. Introduction. Krishna Gravides, Miss World Asia.
Alright. Gusto ko sabayan nila ako.
Sige, ito sila ka tayo.
Ayan.
Guys, itong participation.
Yeah.
Okay. Audience, ito, pag nagpakilala si Krishna, sigaw na tayo.
Miss World Asia. Miss World Asia lang po. Okay. Practice tayo.
Krishna Marie Gravides from the Philippines.